before I was working at the Met, I had a little garage, in a rented garage space. It was freezing cold and leaking. And we made great work there. We made big props and that was great, but you just felt like we were sidelined. It was cold going to work. We weren't working at full steam. And as soon as we got to the Met, we've got this space to think and create and make amazing things. And since we moved into the Met, we have done fantastical things. But the most important aspect of being here is having that support with funding applications, being able to just chat through ideas with the experts that work in that, to help us, guide us to which way we should go. And we're still here because of the Met, in no small part. So we still have a business, and we can still create things and provide nonsense and try and make the world a slightly happier place through the things that we make because of the Met.